This is a sign that you need to add botanical oils to your skincare line, and I'm going to be showing you just how. So this is a very simple and easy recipe to make, but what is going to make your product stand out is your selection of oils. So you're just going to need a clean bowl and a good selection of oils, and a bulk of this batch would be grapeseed oil and jojoba. I am making this batch for my business, and I use jojoba a lot because it mimics the skin sebum. It's unlikely that if you use jojoba you are going to break out, and it's good for those with oily skin. Grapeseed oil is also rich in anti-aging properties. It helps to fight free radicals, and it just improves your skin's elasticity and appearance. There are a wide range of selection of oils you can use. Personally, I do not use coconut oil in any of my formulations, but if you want to use coconut oil, you are free to do so. I'm going to be adding some other oils into this combination, but I might not be able to list them all because this is a formulation I'm making for my business. If you are going to be marketing this product as a face and body product, jojoba and grapeseed oil are oils that you do not have to omit from your mixture. They are very lightweight and work for most skin types, even oily skin and sensitive skins. And one tip I'd like to share with you is that if you are going to be mixing about 5 oils, you need to make sure that all the oils are not the same quantity. Maybe 2 of them can be the same quantity, example 250 ml each, but the other 3 should be lesser. If you are going to be using the same quantity, your customer is likely to not get the benefits of each oil. So you need to balance it in a way that one can be 70% of the total formulation, another can be 30, another can be 10. You need to reduce and increase some so that they are able to release their benefits into the total oil, and then your customer is going to get the best out of their body and face oil. Face and body oils have several amazing uses aside from the skin benefits. It can be used as a makeup remover. It can also be used as a foundation or a base for your makeup application. Anytime you use a face oil and you apply your makeup, you can tell that the end result of your makeup just looks glowy and just beautiful. So it is not just for a skincare benefit, but they also have other cosmetic benefits as well. Another oil I'm going to be using is the Rosehip Oil, and I'm using the Hemani brand because this is going to be a nice buffer for the entire oils that I have used. That is why I'm saying you really need to do a lot of research, because if you combine all potent oils, it might be too strong for your customer. And then to my last star of the show is vitamin E oil. You do not have to omit vitamin E from your oil formulation. Vitamin E, we all know, has amazing anti-aging properties, but it also helps to keep the oils from going rancid, because you will never know how long or short it would take for your customer to finish using up his or her oil. So you always have to add a good amount of vitamin E, and I'm adding 15 ml to this entire formulation in order to prevent the oils from going rancid, and also to include all the amazing benefits of vitamin E to the total formulation. And finally, to my therapeutic benefits, I'm using Ylang essential oil. I never use synthetic fragrance oils for my formulation because it can cause irritation. So I'm using 15 drops of Ylang to my total formulation, and you can use whichever essential oil that you want. There are so many of them in the market, and they all have different properties. They all have different scents and also different benefits that your customer is going to enjoy. And now I'm just going to mix everything up, and then we move on to the final stage. Finally, we move on to adding our dried herbs and flowers. There are so many on the market. You can just find the one that works perfectly and the purpose in which you want to provide for your customer. I'm going to be adding in some lavender buds as well, because lavender has amazing anti-inflammatory purposes and it helps to soothe your skin. And we add our most popular herbal addition, which is rose petals. Rose petals has anti-aging properties. It helps to balance your skin and it also helps to increase collagen on your skin. So if you use it, you notice that your skin is going to feel firmer, and also helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. The rose petals adds more than just beauty to your oil. It's an amazing anti-aging ingredient that you can add to your formulation. Now our herbs are all in. I'm just going to mix this for a few seconds and we'll leave this to steep for about 3 to 5 days, or at most 1 week. This right here is good to go, and you can use it as this without allowing it to steep. But if you leave it to steep, you are going to allow the herbs, flowers and oils get to know each other and release their benefits into the oils to make your products a very unique and beneficial one. If you're storing nectar in an airtight container and leave it away from the sun, I'm going to be making a follow-up video on what it looks like in my end product, because this has to steep for a few days. I hope this is going to help somebody in your skincare journey and also in your business. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.